What's up? Poppa up in the house. Yeah, man. Well, the same thing is happening on the other side, what you seen in the intro, in which my door latches, or not latches, but handle rods keep popping out. So you have to open it from the outside. Now, I don't have speakers up here, so I want to use that. So I'm gonna have to take this off, and then while I got it off, I might as well address something that I've been meaning to address and just got, in a hurry. You see that white right there? Yeah. I need to put some mat on these doors. Maybe that'll cut down on some of the separation or whatever the base is hitting and the doors is rattling and all over the place. So I'm just gonna pack it down with kill mat. I don't know the millimeter of it, but I could just buy enough of it to make thick stacks and just keep stacking them together, and for cheaper than what I would pay, for some of the more expensive stuff. And it does work the same. So I think the one I got up there maybe 80 mil. So that should be fine. And I'm gonna just pack it inside the door too. The door was already done with one layer, but I think I'm gonna put like 2 or 3 on there, because this just needs to be done. So this is a long process. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these speakers out, take the door off, the door panel, and then get started. Yeah, man. So whenever I build my doors, this is press fitted, and then it's done with the little piece right here for the lights, and the lights is actually inside of the trim piece. So that's typically how I build my doors. And then you've got the connection there. All depends on the door I'm building. So these gotta come out first. Unless something caught the wire and cut it. So I'm thinking it might have got trapped inside of here. Like it probably got trapped inside of there on the mechanism or something, and then cut the wire. Almost like this, and probably would if I don't tape these down away from all the moving parts back here. So I'm gonna take care of all that, all the stuff that I neglected to do by being in a rush to give you guys demos. So let's finish up. Okay guys, on further inspection, the way that I mount my doors is with standoffs. Just like this one, rotated this way all the way back. It's just not a huge deal, because it still doesn't separate my door. But that just needs to be redone. But it's always good to put some Loctite on there, and to make sure that doesn't back itself out. The other side was good. That one stayed in place. And then even though, let me see. Yeah, both of those stayed in place, but I guess a lot of the vibration is back here. As you can see, I don't have mat right here. And it's like that piece is broken from the, I think this is from the door handle. No, this not the door handle, but this part. Should be from this part, and that's the reason why this keeps popping out and stuff. But I know that's where this comes from. My only thing is I don't know. I'm gonna have to take this panel off to see how this rod connects. Yeah, because apparently that's the rod that opens the door. I'm gonna have to see how that connects. So dreading taking these out. My little bullet popped out of here. But I gotta go ahead and take these out next, and then, you know, figure out what's going on with the door. Let's twist this back. And all this does is just lock it. And the door never, like, you've seen all that pressure. All this does is keep the door, you know, just kind of give it a sandwich in between. Let's see what we got in there. So, this clips right here, like that. Let's see. this stuff broken inside of there. So that's the lock rod, and this is that rod. So the rods aren't broke, just this is. So I just need to take this out, see what's going on with it. All right, so I got the rods hooked back up. They're both working like they're supposed to. And it wasn't that bad, but I think they are gonna pop back out because of that little piece that's supposed to go inside of there to keep them inside. So I don't know a fix to that unless you just like weld it on. Like it's in there. The rods are in. I can't really get the camera in there. I'll show you. The rods are in on the mechanism, but they will pop back out. So I need to find a permanent fix for that so I can use it inside of my door. And I just got to do some brainstorming to figure out, you know, what I'm gonna do for that. Might just try to get some glue back there or something, just to keep them in. That way it don't come out. I don't think glue would break, essentially. Yeah, that's gonna pop back out. The lock, well, let me see which one is the lock. Yeah, the lock's gonna pop back out like it normally does. Let's see if it pops. Yeah, it's gonna pop back out. Let's see. I can hook it back in there, but it's gonna pop back out. Because I am gonna put a little piece right here, just over it. Not that it's gonna move, but I'm just gonna put something over it to keep them on the inside, so the rod don't come completely out of there. But let me do some brainstorming and figure out how I'm gonna fix that.